See now, look at this. What happiness means. Happy means. This is, see, the word itself is very beautiful. It defines everything. Having awareness of present position and yet capable of saying now. Whenever you feel unhappy, just remember this. What is happiness? What is happy? Having awareness of present position and yet capable of saying Yahoo is what we need to get into. Now the question is how to get into this status or the space, right? We need to get into the space. Now, yeah, intellectually we understood. Yes, having awareness of present position and yet capable of saying Yahoo is an intellectual kind of thing now. Now we need to implement that into our day-to-day life. And that's what we are going to do in this series of meetings.